Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this troubleshooting guide for DTC P1128, which indicates that the MAP, Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor, is reporting a signal lower than expected on the Honda CRV models from 2011 to 2016. The MAP sensor plays a crucial role in measuring the engine's intake manifold pressure, which is essential for optimal air-fuel mixture calculations by the Engine Control Unit, ECU. This error may lead to performance issues, including rough idling and reduced fuel efficiency. In this presentation, we will explore the details of this error code, including its symptoms, possible causes, and step-by-step troubleshooting procedures. It is vital to understand that before starting any troubleshooting, one should gather freeze-frame data and check for any blocked connections, particularly within the intake air duct, which may contribute to this error. The DTC P1128 signifies that the MAP sensor is reporting a signal lower than expected. The MAP sensor is integral to engine management as it measures the pressure of the manifold, allowing the ECU to adjust the air-fuel ratio and ignition timing effectively. It is typically located on the intake manifold of the engine, connected directly to the duct that feeds air into the engine. This positioning enables the MAP sensor to assess the air pressure effectively in real-time conditions, thereby influencing engine performance. If the signal drops below 54.1 kilopascals or 1.61 volts under specific conditions, it will trigger this error code. This malfunction can lead to inadequate fuel delivery or miscalculations in the air-fuel mixture, leading to poor engine performance or drivability issues. Regular checks and immediate troubleshooting when such codes are detected can help maintain proper vehicle functionality. There are several possible causes for DTC P1128. First, poor electrical connections at the MAP sensor or between the sensor and the powertrain control module, PCM, could disrupt the signal transmission, leading to erroneous readings. Another potential cause is a blockage in the intake air duct, which could prevent the proper pressure from reaching the MAP sensor, resulting in a lower than expected signal. It's also possible that the MAP sensor itself may be faulty, causing it to provide inaccurate readings to the ECU. Identifying the precise cause is essential for effective repair. Thus, practical checks should be conducted to rule out poor connections or blockages before proceeding to replace any components. Employing good practice by ensuring clean and secure electrical connections is vital to prevent these issues. Vehicles presenting with DTC P1128 often exhibit noticeable symptoms. A common symptom includes rough engine idle, which can be attributed to the incorrect air-fuel ratio caused by the MAP sensor's inaccurate pressure readings. Poor fuel efficiency is another significant symptom, as the ECU's inability to deliver the correct fuel amount can lead to increased fuel consumption. Additionally, drivers may notice that the check engine light illuminates on the dashboard, indicating the presence of this fault code. These symptoms may not only affect drivability, but can also lead to further degradation if not addressed promptly, highlighting the importance of immediate diagnosis and troubleshooting when this fault is detected. It is advisable to monitor any performance changes closely and respond quickly to fault codes to maintain vehicle health. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P1128, it is critical to perform a MAP sensor performance check. Begin by turning the ignition switch to on, 2 position, which powers the vehicle's electronics without starting the engine. Then, the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, should be used to check specific parameters of the MAP sensor for a period of 5 seconds. The key values to observe include the pressure reading and voltage signal. The reading should reflect a pressure less than 54.1 kilopascal and a voltage of 1.61 volts or above to fall within acceptable operating conditions. If these readings consistently meet the specified threshold for more than 5 seconds, it indicates a functioning sensor. Conversely, if the readings do not meet the expected criteria, the next steps will involve further diagnostics, potentially leading to map sensor replacement. Attention to these details is crucial for effective troubleshooting. The second troubleshooting step for handling DTC P1128 involves verifying the problem after the initial checks. Start by clearing the DTC using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to reset the system. After clearing the code, start the engine and hold the engine speed at approximately 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, without load, ensuring the vehicle is either in park or neutral. This step should be maintained until the radiator fan activates, after which let the engine idle. The next phase consists of performing a test drive under predefined conditions. The engine coolant temperature must exceed 158 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius. The engine speed should be at 1400 RPM or higher. The transmission in drive, and the vehicle speed should accelerate to at least 15 miles per hour while maintaining under half throttle. Throughout this process, it's crucial to monitor the OBD status on the HDS for any indications regarding the condition of the DTC. Proper execution of these conditions will help isolate the issue further. In the third troubleshooting step for DTC P1128, the focus is on monitoring the onboard diagnostics OBD status using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. After conducting the previous tests, you should verify the OBD status in the DTCs menu. The HDS will indicate whether the DTC P1128 has passed, failed, or is not completed. If the HDS shows a failed status, this confirms that the failure is acknowledged, and replacing the MAP sensor is necessary, followed by a repair verification process. If the status appears as passed, it may indicate that the system is currently functioning well. However, it's critical to look for intermittent failures that can still affect the vehicle's performance. On the other hand, if the status reads "not completed," this means the set conditions were not fully met, warranting a return to the previous steps until the systems are duly evaluated correctly. Clarity on this status is vital for deciding the next course of action. The fourth step in troubleshooting DTC P1128 involves repairing and verifying the powertrain control module, PCM, for optimal function. Begin by turning the ignition switch back to the on position. Utilizing the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, access the option to reset the PCM. This process erases any inconsistencies in the system, updating it for any new corrections made. After resetting, it's essential to perform an idle learn procedure, which allows the PCM to recalibrate the idle speed settings based on current engine parameters. Following this recalibration, start the engine again, maintaining the engine speed at approximately 3,000 RPM in the absence of load until the radiator fan activates and allows it to return to idle. A test drive should then be conducted under the previously mentioned conditions to evaluate the ECT, engine speed, and vehicle speed once again. Through each step, it is crucial to monitor the OBD status in the HDS, checking for the presence or absence of DTC P1128 to conclude whether the issue has been effectively resolved. For the final repair verification of DTC P1128, after completing the last troubleshooting step, it is imperative to once more monitor the onboard diagnostics OBD status using the HDS. Confirm whether the displayed status reads passed. This indicates that the repairs have successfully resolved the issue. If passed appears, It signifies the conclusion of troubleshooting, ensuring that the vehicle's map sensor and associated systems are functioning properly. Should any other pending or confirmed DTCs appear on the display, further investigation into those specific codes becomes necessary. Conversely, if the HDS indicates a failed status, STEP should revert to earlier troubleshooting measures to reassess potential issues, especially focusing on wiring, connections, and the sensor itself. This verification step is crucial to assure optimal vehicle performance and to minimize future problems, preserving vehicle longevity. Preventive maintenance plays a key role in avoiding the occurrence of DTC P1128 and maintaining the overall health of your Honda CRV. One effective measure is to conduct regular inspections of the map sensor itself, ensuring that it is firmly connected and operating within specified parameters. Additionally, checking electrical connections for integrity and cleanliness is crucial, as any corrosion or loose wiring could lead to intermittent or permanent faults. Keeping the intake air system clean and unobstructed can significantly reduce instances of blockages, which can affect sensor performance. Establishing a routine schedule for these checks can catch potential issues before they evolve into more severe problems. Implementing these preventive measures will not only maintain sensor accuracy, but also enhance the overall engine performance, promoting vehicle reliability. This guide on DTC P1128 emphasizes the importance of understanding the map sensor's role in engine management and the consequences of its malfunction. Following specific, methodical troubleshooting steps can effectively diagnose and resolve the issue, ensuring that the vehicle operates correctly. Recognizing symptoms, understanding potential causes, and utilizing tools such as the HDS greatly aid in this process. Furthermore, preventive measures help minimize future occurrences of DTC P1128, ensuring that the map sensor and associated systems perform optimally. Remember that thorough checks and maintenance of electrical connections, as well as the cleanliness of air intake pathways, are essential for lasting vehicle performance. Thank you for joining this presentation, and may your diligence lead to optimal performance and reliability of your Honda CRV. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.